This is a cozy and spacious 1 LDK apartment located in a quiet residential neighborhood in Tokyo. The apartment is 45 square meters. It has 1 bedroom, 1 toilet and bathroom, a kitchen, a balcony, and 1 living and dining space.
My name is Ernest Kyung. In this video, we're going to show you what $1,500 a month can get you in this wonderful city. I'm joined today by my good friend, Robert Kurtman.
Hi YouTube, just a Brit living in Tokyo since 2018. Came here as an English teacher, now rocking as a software engineer.
Robert has been kind enough to give us a full tour of his apartment and an inside look of what it's like living in Tokyo. You ready to do this?
Let's get started.
Robert's unit is on the 2nd floor inside an apartment complex with 4 units in total.
Welcome to my apartment. We have shoe space on the left, not a secret door if you can't see. And because we live in quite a small residential building, there's no elevator. So we use the stairs to go straight up to the apartment. And we make use of as much space as we can, wherever we can. Moving on, we have the washing area, and beyond that, the bathroom. In the washroom, you have the sink, you have the mirror and the dedicated space for washing machines that most Japanese apartments have. And above the washing machine we have some nice storage. Here we have the bathroom. You can take a shower or have an actual bath. We have quite a small bath. There's a lot of apartments that have a much longer one. And with the modern feature, the oedaki, you can control the temperature of the water or automatically fill up the tub. Super useful. That's the bathroom. Next, on the left, we have the toilet. Generally in Japanese homes or apartments, they have a separate room for this. Quite small. We have storage up top. A lot of thought processing goes on here. Here we have our standard Japanese toilet. It's got all the bidet functions, the heated seat, and the wash bowl at the top.
Yeah, this was a game changer for me since I moved to Japan.
Yeah, the heated seat really is amazing. So here in the kitchen, it's generally quite a good size for a 1 LDK. It's got loads of storage. We have all the space for the utensils and a good size worktop, induction heater. Good, really important feature is the fish grill. And on the other side, we've got all the appliances we need. We've got the fridge, freezer, we've got the microwave, toaster, and of course in every Japanese home, we've got the rice cooker. And that's the kitchen. This is equivalent to my office. This is my desk, as you can see. I've got my 2 PCs and my coffee machine. I try to limit my work as much as possible in this area because being in such a small apartment, it's really difficult to differentiate and separate your work personal life balance. So this is generally just my play area. I've got my secret closet.
Is that where you keep your skeletons?
It is my no-nos. And this is the living room closet. It's effectively a walk-in closet, but we've customized it for our needs. It's got our book rack and all our special documents we have. We've got my clothes and everything else you can think of. So cooking utensils, ironing, fans. I've been relegated to the living room closet.
So pretty much everything you own is like in this space now.
Pretty much everything is here.
It's a good space. There's a lot of room. It seems like you've optimized it well and you've put a lot of stuff in there. It doesn't feel too cramped or clumped up.
This is one of the better days. Moving along, we've got the separation between the playroom and office into the living room. You've got our decorations. So in this living room, we tried to keep as many international decorations from whenever we've traveled. We usually get something. So we have Portobello Road, some rabbits from Nagoya, our English and Wales travel map. So we have generally dark furniture. We try to keep it like that just for the consistency. We have a really big sofa. We have a nice TV with lots of light coming through the balcony windows. we have some low maintenance plants, and we have the kotatsu, the best thing and the worst thing that we've ever bought.
Why is that?
It's amazing. It's so nice just to relax in with the light, like I said, but it's just, once you lie down, you fall asleep and your back is just in agony the next day.
Oh, it's one of those where if you get too comfortable, then you're in for a surprise.
Yeah, but it's glorious. I say I wouldn't recommend it, but I think everyone should have one.
So it's more of like a love-hate kind of
Love-hate relationship.
furniture piece.
Yeah. I mentioned the sofa is too big, but it is really nice. It's the same problem as the kotatsu. Once you lie down, you're out. It's so comfy, but it's just a little bit too big, and it means that we don't have as much room for the kotatsu, so we have to move it out if we want to use the switch, and it's just general a bit annoying, but it would be nice if we had a bigger apartment. Moving on to the balcony, like many modern Japanese homes in the city, we have a standard balcony. As you can see, it's quite narrow, but also quite long and stretches across both windows in the living room. We usually use it for laundry and keep some of our plants out here. When you step outside, you have a nice, unobstructed view of the neighbourhood without any tall buildings blocking you. And right across, we have a nice little park. Now moving on to the last spot. Here's the bedroom. It's nice and spacious enough to have a makeup table and a queen size bed. It's great for mornings when the sun comes in and you just want to stretch out. I love it. And then we've got all the necessities. The emergency bags, the little bedside table with the light, and of course, a large kind of walk-in closet.
Now that the tour is over, I'm curious. When you were looking for places to live, Robert, why did you choose this place ultimately?
Well, I wanted to move as quick as possible. That was the main reason why I chose this one, and it was the first flat I saw. But it also has so many nice parks around here, and what I wanted to have a nice area where the sunlight can come in. It's really nice and relaxing. You can have a nice cup of tea, and generally it's got a lot of storage compared to most 1 LDK apartments, and the living room as well it's a nice shape. It's a nice rectangular shape, so it's not restrictive in what you can and how you can organize the furniture. But the biggest thing was just one big room where I could put my PC, my sofa, my TV all in one room, and I ultimately have that.
And what I really like about your place is the 2 balcony windows. It lets in so much natural light in.
Yeah, it is amazing. Through most of the year and through most of the day, it's south facing, so a lot of light comes in, especially with how big the windows are.
Now that wraps up this apartment tour. I just want to say a special thank you to Robert and Naomi-san for giving us a wonderful tour of their apartment and sharing a glimpse into what life is like in Tokyo. I really appreciate it.
No problem. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. Comment down below what was your favorite thing about the apartment.
And if you want to see more apartment tours like this, then comment down below. More apartment tours.
If you enjoyed this content or found it helpful, give it a like. And be sure to subscribe to Ernest's channel for more high quality videos about life in Japan.
And with that, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I'm joined by my good friend Robert Kurtman.
Nice to meet you. Oh, no. It's a just standard Japanese toilet. We've got our 1 LD size stand. A minute, I forgot my words. Okay.
Many.
Now that the tour is over, I'm curious, Robert, when you want. Now that.
Start.
Me. Okay. If you like this kind of content and want to watch more about more life in Tokyo, then like, comment, subscribe, and tune in for next time.